Hi mga ka-lifey! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shala Rose at your service. So, right now we're doing the special edition of unboxing the S20 Samsung Ultra. So, let's get it on! So, ito po yung box ng S20 Samsung Ultra. So, let's open it up. There you go. Ito yung cell phone. There you go. Meron po siyang cardboard na merong nakalagay na Samsung. And this one is the socket. And so let me put it down first, and then let's see what's this. So ito po yung kanyang charger. So I think this one is different po from any other charger kasi po parehas po yung edge nila. So this one, it's not a USB type that you can put in on the socket. So let's try it. Pwede nyo po siyang back to back on the other side. And on this one naman. So yan. So mahirap po tayo makahiram ngayon ng charger. And another one is this one. The headset. So ito po yung headset niya. So I think meron na po siyang built-in na rubber protection para po hindi masakit sa tenga. So ito rin po yung pinagkakabitan ng headset dun sa cellphone. So let's try it. Okay, so hindi pa po siya naka-on. So I'm just showing it to you kung saan siya kinakabit. There you go. And on the other part of the box, so empty na po yung isa. So we're doing this one. Ang laman naman po nito is, there you go. It's another box. So at the back of it, nandito po yung pin niya para po sa SIM card. So let's put it back. Oh, I'm just gonna put this one over here. And let's open it. There's a paper. So, ito naman po yung kanyang manual. So, there you go. Yun po ang laman ng S20 Samsung Ultra. So, right after this video po, ay papakita ko po sa inyo yung specs niya at saka yung disadvantage and the advantages of Samsung S20 Ultra. Ang price po niya is nagre-range into $1,400 here in America plus tax. So, converted into the Philippines, so magiging 65 to 70,000 pesos ang price po niyan. So, the things that I like over here is yung 5 camera po niya at the back. And usually, I read that it has a zooming power, like you can see very, very far from afar. So, makikita nyo po yung small, halimbawa yung small trees on the mountain, masuzoom nyo po yun and it was very clear still. So, yun po. So, kung kaya naman po ng budget, I recommend you buying this one, especially sa mga vlogger or especially sa mga YouTuber. You can have this one. And for the selfie natic or the selfie addicts, you can still have it too because no filter needed. Maganda na po yung camera niya. So, this is it. So, yan po ang mga features ng Samsung S20 Ultra. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and do subscribe on my channel, Shala Rose Lifey, and do comment if you like. And see you next time, guys. Bye!